This laundry package from Esatto comes with this 7kg vented dryer and this 7.5kg front-loading washing machine. Now, purchasing a washer-dryer package is a very simple way to save on laundry appliances, and since they are paired by Esatto, you know that they will work well together, being a great pick for smaller households and families. The Esatto front-load washing machine has a great number of convenient features that you'll find helpful in the laundry. It has a large central control dial where you can quickly navigate the 16 different washing programs, which includes many of your favourites, plus some specialised ones like the baby care and wool cycles. There is also a My Cycle setting for saving a customised favourite and a delayed start program for added customisation. Now, this Esatto vented dryer up here is a great companion to the Esatto front load washing machine. With its 7kg capacity and easy to use electronic controls, there are 4 different drying programs, an anti-crease mode for less ironing, and a delay function helping you plan cycles in advance for added lifestyle flexibility. Now, most importantly, this machine is supplied with a wall mount kit and reversible control panel so that you can make the most of your laundry space and place this dryer in a convenient location, or alternatively you can stack this appliance, but make sure you use the included stacking mat so that it safely rests on top of your washing machine. Esatto covers both the vented dryer and this front loader washing machine with a 2-year warranty on parts and labour, with in-home service, so that you can rest assured knowing that your purchase is in safe hands. And there we have it, the laundry package from Esatto. Thanks so much for watching.